In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up host-only adapter for VirtualBox virtual machine. This is useful if you want to connect your host computer to virtual machine. Maybe for secure shell, maybe for file sharing without using port forwarding or bridge adapter. That might expose your virtual machine to local network and could be a security vulnerability. I'll be using Ubuntu Server version 24. This will be important because you might need to do different things if you use any Ubuntu version below 18 or Debian. Also, I'll be using VirtualBox version 7. First, in VirtualBox, click the Tools button and pick Configure Adapter manually. Keep in mind these two values, the IPv4 address and the IPv4 network mask. Then, click the Ubuntu server you want to set up host-only adapter on. Make sure you already create and install the virtual machine. Since this is Ubuntu, it's mostly just selecting done, done, and done, along with setting username and password. There's a lot of video tutorial on YouTube how to do it. Then, click the settings here, right here. Click Network, pick the second adapter, enable network adapter, and attach host-only adapter. Once that's done, turn on the Ubuntu server and also login. I'll speed it up until there. Then, in the console, type IPA. Now let me just set up this so I can show the most. Now this is not what we want. This is the NAT interface indicated by this IP. This is hardcoded in VirtualBox. This is what we want. The host-only adapter, the one that we need to set up first before we can use it. Then, in the console, type sudo nano it's netplan 50 cloud init.yaml. Now let's configure this so we can actually use the interface, the host only one. I have a script. I have one that actually tell which one we need to type. So that would be in 0s8 hcp4 false. Let me just check it again. Okay. Address is 6/34. Okay, once that's done, let's scroll down and then type Ctrl O to save it. And then let's exit. So the value of it, wait, let me just, okay. So this is the IP address based on the IPA that we typed before. This is where the host-only adapter lives. And we set the HTTP4 to false because we want to use a static address. So that we have a same static IP whenever we want to do it. And this value, this 192.168.54.11, this is our static IP that we set. Now this cannot be exactly random. It's based on this one. So the IP address and the network mask. They say that so long as the front is 192.168.56, whatever this will be okay for any number between 2 to 254. No, let's apply the net plan. Now let's type sudo net plan apply. Let's type the password. Okay. Now let's clear the screen. Now let's type IPA. Okay, so this is already active. Great. Now let's test it out. where we can actually connect to it. Now I'm using Windows, so I'll be using uh, what is the CMD, and then I'll test where I can connect to this IP address, being 192.168, 56, and 11. Okay, so now we actually can connect to it. Like the IP address is up. You can do whatever you want after this. Maybe you want to set them a secure shell. Maybe you want to share a file with SCP or something, and that's it. So hopefully you like this video, like and subscribe to see more of it, and share it maybe if it's helpful for you. And I'll see you later on. Bye bye.